Alright, here we snow again. Snowpocalypse, Snowmageddon, whatever you want to call it. It's February 10th, 2010. And second verse, same as the first. It's a lot colder today though. And the snow is really powdery. I don't know if you can really tell from here. But it's like confectionery sugar. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this mess cleaned off again. Oh boy. Okay, I've got a little bit of work done, but I just want to show you what it looks like so far. Look at that massive freaking pile of snow. I mean, how long is all this going to take to melt? Am I going to have a snow pile out here until April? Look at this drift. Freaking insane. Alright, y'all ready for this? I just shoveled in my back gate, as you can see. Look what awaited me. That is about a 3.5 to 4 feet high snowdrift. I don't think I'm going anywhere. Wait. Okay, talk about your glaciers. Look at that. Is that wild? Here we are in the front of the house, and my glacier is still hanging there over the house, ready to fall. Making some progress here shoveling, and what looks to be the best news of all, doesn't look like my car is covered like it was last time, but I haven't gotten all the way out there yet. So the shoveling goes on. Well, good news and bad news. The snowplow is throwing up a 2-foot wall of ice in back of my car. I'm going to have to get rid of that. But I can't do it right now because my hands are too cold. And it's too fucking cold out here. Sorry. And my trench has stopped right there for the same reason. This is a wall of ice and slush that the plow has thrown up. So for now, my progress stops.